Classification of algae. The eminent algalogist F.E. Fritsch, he proposed a classification for algae based on pigmentation, types of flagella, reserve food materials, thallus structure, and reproduction. He classified the algae into 11 classes, namely Chlorophyceae, Xanthophyceae, Chrysophyceae, Basilarioophyceae, Cryptophyceae, Dinophyceae, Chloromonodineae, Euglenophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae, Cyanophyceae. So these are the 11 classes: Chlorophyceae, Xanthophyceae, Chrysophyceae, Basilarioophyceae, Cryptophyceae, Dinophyceae, Chloromonidae, Euglenophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae, Cyanophyceae. Among the 11 classes of algae, we are going to discuss 3 classes of algae. They are Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae. Chlorophyceae, commonly called as green algae, பச்சை பாசை. Phaeophyceae, brown algae, பழுப்பு பாசி. Rhodophyceae, red algae, சிவப்பு பாசி. Chlorophyceae, green algae. Most of the species here are aquatic, few are terrestrial. Aquatic na enna? தண்ணீரில் வாழக்கூடியது. It may be fresh water and marine. Fresh water, நன்னீரில் வாழக்கூடியது. நன்னீரில் என்னென்ன பிளான்ஸ் வாழும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா ஸ்பைரோகைரா. மெரைனில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உல்வா. டெரஸ்ட்ரியல், நிலத்தில் வாழக்கூடியது. நிலத்தில் வாழக்கூடியது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ட்ரென்டிஃபோலியா. குளோரோபிளாஸ்ட். குளோரோபிளாஸ்ட்னா என்ன? குளோரோஃபில்லை தாங்கி இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த ஸ்ட்ரக்சர். ஸோ இட் இஸ் ஃபவுண்ட் இன்சைட் த algae. Chloroplast here it found in different shapes in this member of algae, that is cup shape, discoid, girdle, reticulate, spiral, stellate, plate like. Cup shape ஒரு கோப்பை வடிவத்தில் இருக்கிறது. Example Chlamydomonas. Discoid shape. Example Chara, disc shapeல இருக்கும். Girdle shape. Example Elothrix. சர்க்கிள்குள்ளே இன்னொரு சர்க்கிள் இருக்க மாதிரி என்சர்க்கிளாக இருக்கும். Reticulate, example Oedogonium. Network like structure, Oedogonium, example. Spiral shape, example Spirogyra, ஒரு சுருள் வடிவத்தில் இருக்கிறது. Stellate shape, Zygneuma, நட்சத்திர வடிவத்தில் இருக்கும். Plate like, Mogiotia, தட்டு வடிவத்தில் இருக்கிறது. So these are the different shapes of chloroplast. Inside the chloroplast, there is another structure called pyrenoid. Here inside the chloroplast, chlorophyll pigments are present. They are majority of the chlorophyll pigments are chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Apart from this, there is another structure called pyrenoids are present, which are considered as storage bodies. Storage bodies called pyrenoids are present inside the chloroplast, which stores the starch and proteins. The cell wall of this algae is made up of 2 layers. They are inner layer and the outer layer. Inner layer is made up of cellulose and outer layer is made up of pectin. Next is reproduction of these members. There are 3 types of reproduction takes place, that is vegetative, asexual and sexual method. Under vegetative reproduction, it takes place by means of fragmentation. Fragmentation means a parent plant breaks into pieces. Each piece develops into a new individual. Asexual reproduction. It takes place by means of the production of zoospores, aplanospore, akinets. Zoospore, they are motile spores. Aplanospore, thin-walled spores. Akinets are thick-walled spores. Sexual reproduction takes place by means of isogamy, anisogamy and oogamy. Example for this group are Chlorella, Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Spirogyra, Elothrix, Chara, Ulva. Phaeophyceae, commonly called as brown algae. இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மெஜாரிட்டி ஆஃப் த ஆல்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இங்கே ஃபார்ம்ஸ் வந்து மெரைன், few are fresh water forms. Example for fresh water is Plurocladia. Here the thallus is filamentous, frond-like, maybe or maybe giant kelps. Thallus அப்படின்னா உங்களுக்கு என்னென்னு தெரியும், அதில் வேறு தண்டு இலை எதுவும் இருக்காது இல்லையா. ஸோ இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா thallus எப்படி இருக்கும், filamentous, thread-like. Filamentous என்ன, thread-like, நூல் போல. Example for filamentous algae is thallus structure is Ectocarpus. Frond-like, ஒரு இலை போல. Example Dictyota. Or maybe giant kelps, large brown seaweeds அப்படின்னு சொல்லக்கூடிய laminarians or macrocystis. These are examples. The thallus is differentiated into leaf-like, a stalk-like and a hold-fast. Leaf-like இலை போல, stalk தண்டு போல, hold fast ஒரு வேர் போல. இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா leaf-like, அதனோட லீஃபோட வேலை என்ன, photosynthetic part. So leaf-like photosynthetic part, here it is called as fronds. A stalk-like structure called stipe, and a hold fast which attaches the thallus to the substratum. இப்போ இந்த algae thallus-ஐ வந்து ஒரு substratum மேலே, அது எது மேலே படர்ந்து வளருதோ அது மேலே அட்டாச் பண்ணுறதுக்காக இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த பார்ட்டு தான் என்னது, hold fast. And the pigments present in this are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, carotenoids, xanthophylls, and a golden brown pigment called fucoxanthin is present. These are the different pigments present in this member Phaeophyceae. Reserve food materials present here are mannitol and laminarian. Whereas in Chlorophyceae we saw true starch is present and proteins are present. Here it is mannitol and laminarian. Next one is reproductive structures. Motile reproductive structures are present here. So reproductive structures can able to go from one place to the another with the help of the flagella. Two laterally inserted unequal flagella is present. One is whiplash, another one is called tinsel. Whiplash அப்படின்னா என்னென்னா, இது வெளிப்புறமாக பார்க்கும்போது ஸ்மூத் சர்ஃபேஸாக இருக்கும். whereas tinsel அப்படின்னா with hairs. So these are the two type of flagellas, whiplash and tinsel. With the help of these structures it will go for reproduction. Next one is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction ranges from isogamy to oogamy. Most of the forms show oogamous type. Alternation of generation also takes place here. Example for this group is Sargassum, Laminaria, Fucus, Dictyota. Rhodophyceae, commonly called as red algae, mostly it is present in marine, கடலில் வாழக்கூடியது. The thallus is multicellular, macroscopic, made up of many cells, larger in size. Whereas in Porphyridium it is unicellular form. Porphyridium is made up of single cell. Filamentous in Goniotrichum, ribbon-like in Porphyra. The photosynthetic pigment present here is chlorophyll A, or phycoerythrin, and or phycocyanin. These are the photosynthetic pigments present in red algae. Reproduction. It undergo asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction takes place by means of monospores, neutral spores, and tetraspores. Monospores. Mono means it is a simple non-motile asexual spore. Neutral spores. Neutral means neither beneficial nor harmful. Tetraspores. Tetra means 4. 4 asexual spores produced by a sporangium. Tetraspores. So asexual reproduction takes place by means of these three kinds of spores: monospores, neutral spores, and tetraspores. Sexual reproduction is oogamous type. What is oogamous? The fusion of morphologically and physiologically dissimilar gametes. Here, male sex organ is spermatangium, which produces the spermatium, whereas female sex organ is carpagonium. Here, male sex organ, that is spermatium, which is carried away by the water currents and fused with the egg, so that it will form zygote. This zygote develops into a carpospore during meiosis. So, meiosis division takes place here. Meiosis is reduction division. It occurs here, so that the zygote develops into carpospores. Alteration of generation also present here. Here the storage product is Floridian starch. Example for this Rhodophyceae are Ceramium, Polysiphonia, Gelidium, Cryptonemia, Gigartina. Reproduction in algae. Algae reproduces by three methods, namely vegetative, asexual and sexual methods. Now let us see vegetative reproduction with examples. Vegetative reproduction includes fission, fragmentation, budding, bulbils, akinets, tubers. Fission. So fission example, Chlamydomonas. We know that Chlamydomonas is a unicellular structure, and this Chlamydomonas undergo mitotic division in order to produce two daughter cells. By this way, it will produce next generation. Next is fragmentation. Fragmentation means breakdown. Here, fragments of parent break and then it grow into a new individuals. Breakdown of the parent plant body and grow into a new individuals. Example, Elothrix. Budding. Budding example, Protosiphon. Protosiphon. From the parent body, a lateral bud arises, and that bud will, during a favorable condition, it will develop into a new individual. Next one is bulbils. Bulbils example, Spacilaria. Spacilaria. Here a modified branch develop, which is in the shape of wedge shape. A wedge shaped modified branch develop, and then later it will develop into a new individual. Akinates. Akinates are thick walled spores. Thick walled spores which is meant for perennation, and during favorable condition it will germinate and develop into a new plant. Example, Pithopora. Akinate type of reproduction is found in Pithopora. Tubers. Tubers example, Chara. In Chara algae we can see this type of vegetative reproduction. That is, what is tubers? These are structures found on the rhizoids and the lower nodes of the Chara. These structures develop into a new individuals, which also meant to store food materials. Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction takes place by the production of zoospores, aplanospores, autospores, hypnospores, tetraspores. What is zoospores? Zoospores example, Elothrix and Oedogonium. Zoospores are motile spores. Aplanospores. Aplanospores example, Vaucheria. What is aplanospore? These are thin-walled non-motile spores. Autospores. Autospores are example, Chlorella. These autospores look similar to the parent cell, auto, self. So it appear to be similar to be like parent cell. Hypnospore. Hypnospore, which is similar to that of aplanospore. What is aplanospore? It is a thin walled non-motile, but here hypnospore is thick walled aplanospore. So thick walled non-motile. Example, Chlamydomonas nivalis. Tetraspores. Example, Polysiphonia. Tetra means 4. So here diploid thallus of Polysiphonia produces haploid spores after meiosis. So meiosis is the reduction division. This tetraspores during meiosis in Polysiphonia it formed diploid thallus produces what? Haploid spores. Sexual reproduction in algae. It is of 3 types, namely isogamy, anisogamy, oogamy. Sexual reproduction means it takes place by fusion of gametes. Isogamy. Isogamy. Iso means what? Fusion of similar gametes. Same. Here, fusion of morphological and physiological similar gametes. Example, Ulothrix. இந்த யுலோத்ரிக்ஸில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அதோட அமைப்புலையும் அதோட பண்புலையும் ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கிற கேமெட்ஸ் வந்து ஃபியூஸ் ஆகும் போது இது என்னது? ஐசோகேமி. எக்ஸாம்பிள், யுலோத்ரிக்ஸ். அனிசோகேமி. Fusion of either morphologically or physiologically dissimilar gametes. Example, Pandorina. ஸோ இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரே மாதிரியான அமைப்பும் பண்பில் வேறுபட்டு இருக்கிற கேமெட்ஸ் ஃபியூஸ் ஆச்சு அப்படின்னா இது என்னது? அனிசோகேமி. எக்ஸாம்பிள், Pandorina. Oogamy. Oogamy here fusion of both morphological and physiological dissimilar gametes. அமைப்பிலையும் பண்புலையும் வேறுபட்ட கேமெட்ஸ் ஃபியூஸ் ஆகும்போது இது பேர் ஓகேமி. எக்ஸாம்பிள், சர்காசம். Economic importance of algae. Algae plays important role in both beneficial and harmful activities. Algae such as Chlorella, Laminaria, Sargassum, Ulva, Enteromorpha. All these are used as food. Gracilaria, Gelidilla, Gigartina. It is used for making agar-agar. Agar-agar is a gelatinous material which is obtained from red algae, used as a culture medium in the microbiology lab. And it is used for packing canned food, cosmetic, textile, paper industry. Chondrus crispus. From this, carrageenan is produced. Carrageenan is a food additive which is used for thickening agent. Used as thickening agent. It is used for preparation of toothpaste, paint, blood coagulant. Laminaria ascophyllum. Alginate. It is used as alginate. Alginate is any salt of alginic acid which is used for making ice cream, paints, flame-proof fabrics. Laminaria, Sargassum, Ascophyllum, Fucus, which is these plants are used as fodder. Fodder means animal food. Next one is diatom. Diatom are minute unicellular algae. Diatomaceous earth. Here it is used as water filters, insulation material, reinforcing agent in concrete and rubber. Lithophyllum, Chara, Fucus. This algae used as fertilizer. Fertilizer, it is a natural substance used to make the ground more suitable for growing plants. Chlorella. Chlorella produces an antibiotic called chlorellin. Chlorella, Cynidesmus, Chlamydomonas. These algae used as pollution indicators and used in sewage treatment. With this we complete beneficial activities of algae, which is used as food for making agar-agar, carrageenan, alginate, used as fodder, diatomaceous earth, fertilizer, antibiotic production, sewage treatment and pollution indicator. Harmful activity of algae. Cephalaris virescens, which causes disease in coffee, that is red rust of coffee. Thus, algae play important role in beneficial and harmful activities.